We live in a stream of constant motion, where the tempo of life is dictated by the ticking of a clock, relentless, unyielding. Technology leaps forward, devices connect us, yet in this web of interconnectivity, where do we find peace? In the pursuit of progress, there's a space, a precious moment of stillness, where peace breathes life into the frenzy. It's in these instances that love emerges, not as a mere sentiment, but as a force, a gravitational pull that draws us closer. Love and peace aren't just ideals of a bygone era. They are the silent engines of transformation and connection. These are the ties that bind us, not through wires or signals, but through shared experiences and collective aspirations. Within the tapestry of life, it is love that weaves us together, and peace that serves as our canvas. As we journey forward, let us carry the torch of love. Let us lay the foundations of peace, for in them, we find our truest path to harmony and excellence. Are you ready to let peace and love guide you to high performance?